Hello everyone, this is Elina, and you are listening to Learn English with Elina. Today, we are going to practice asking for and giving directions in a city. This is one of the most useful skills in real-life English. Whether you are traveling, living abroad, or just having a conversation, these sentences will help you feel confident. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. We will say every sentence twice. Let's begin. Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, do you have a moment? Excuse me, do you have a moment? I am looking for the nearest bus stop. I am looking for the nearest bus stop. Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Should I walk or take a bus? Should I walk or take a bus? Go straight down this road. Go straight down this road. Keep going straight for 2 blocks. Keep going straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn right at the corner. Turn right at the corner. Go past the supermarket. Go past the supermarket. Walk past the pharmacy. Walk past the pharmacy. It is next to the coffee shop. It is next to the coffee shop. It is across from the bank. It is across from the bank. It is near the park. It is near the park. It is behind the building. It is behind the building. It is in front of the mall. It is in front of the mall. How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? It takes about 10 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes. It takes around 15 minutes. It takes around 15 minutes. It is a 5-minute walk. It is a 5-minute walk. It is a short walk from here. It is a short walk from here. You can take bus number 10. You can take bus number 10. You can take bus number 12. You can take bus number 12. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? The bus stop is over there. The bus stop is over there. The bus stop is across the street. The bus stop is across the street. Is there a subway station nearby? Is there a subway station nearby? Which line should I take? Which line should I take? Take the blue line. Take the blue line. Take the red line. Take the red line. Where do I get off? Where do I get off? Get off at the next stop. Get off at the next stop. Get off at Central Station. Get off at Central Station. Is it safe to walk there? Is it safe to walk there? Yes, it is very close. Yes, it is very close. No, it is a bit far. No, it is a bit far. Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? Let me check on my phone. Let me check on my phone. I think you are going the wrong way. I think you are going the wrong way. You need to turn back. You need to turn back. Go back and turn right. Go back and turn right. Then go straight again. Then go straight again. You will see it on your left. You will see it on your left. You will see it on your right. You will see it on your right. It is right around the corner. It is right around the corner. It is just down the street. It is just down the street. It is not far from here. It is not far from here. It is quite close. It is quite close. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your help. Thanks a lot for your help. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. You are welcome. You are welcome. No problem. No problem. Happy to help. Happy to help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Have a great day.